Here we are at Stephen Wade Toyota, and today I'm going to show you how to schedule an appointment with our service center from here on the website. So we're going to start up here. You're going to come to this service tab in the navigation menu. If you click on that, the third item down says schedule service. Go ahead and click on that. That will bring you to this screen, and this is a really handy feature where you can type in your phone or email, and if you are a returning customer and you've had your car serviced with us before, it will remember you based on that. Or if you're a new customer, this is how we start the process. So here you'll see if you have a Toyota or Scion, the options right there. Any other vehicle makes are available from this drop down. We'll go ahead and select our vehicle here. So you have make, year, model, and then they'll ask for additional information like the trim and then the mileage as well. Once that information's all been inputted, we'll hit this continue button, and then you can see here we have options for maintenance package. This is recommended by the manufacturer based on mileage. So click on that, and then there's individual services, some pretty common ones. Replace engine oil and oil filter, wiper blade replacement. You can view more here. This has your most common items, and then any additional, and if there's a repair that's not mentioned here in the list, you'll just click here and you can fill in those comments. After you've selected all of your repairs, you'll hit this button here, and then here you have the option of selecting whether you will need a ride or if you will be staying here at the dealership. Okay, and then you have the available appointments based on your date. So here we will select a time for today, and then it'll take you on to review. And from here you just have to enter your first and last name, your email, and then you can indicate whether you'd like to receive updates through text or email. If it's text, that's your number there. And this will give you also your estimated charges. And then once all that information is in, you'll just hit the schedule, and you'll be all set.